Hey everyone, welcome back to Lahari Codes. Today we are going to learn a very important Python topic called nested loops. This topic is very important for placements, interviews, and pattern programs. So let's get started. First, let's understand what nested loops mean. A loop inside another loop is called a nested loop. When one loop is written inside another loop, it is called a nested loop. In Python, we mostly use a for loop inside another for loop. Now you may think, why do we use nested loops? Nested loops are used when one task repeats inside another task. The main uses are pattern printing, multiplication tables, matrix operations, and repeating combinations. Now let's understand the syntax. We write the outer loop first, and inside it we write the inner loop. The outer loop runs first. For every one outer loop execution, the inner loop runs completely. This is the main idea of nested loops. Let's understand with a simple example. We have I going from 1 to 3, and j going from 1 to 2. When I equals 1, the inner loop runs fully and prints 1, 1, and 1, 2. Then I becomes 2. Inner loop runs again and prints 2, 1, and 2, 2. Then I equals 3, and prints 3, 1, and 3, 2. So always remember, outer loop starts, inner loop completes fully every time. Let's understand this with a real-life example. Imagine a school. There are 3 classrooms, and each classroom has 5 students. The teacher first enters classroom 1 and checks all students, then classroom 2, then classroom 3. This is exactly how nested loops work. Now some important interview questions. What is a nested loop? A loop inside another loop is called a nested loop. Why do we use nested loops? For pattern printing, tables, and repeated tasks. Which loop runs first? The outer loop starts first, but the inner loop runs completely. Easy line to remember, outer starts, inner completes. Where are nested loops mostly used? Mostly in pattern programs. So today we learned nested loops in Python in a very simple and easy way. Practice the examples once by yourself, especially the star pattern. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lahari Codes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.